Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that all of you will be in good health. Open your history books. Take out page number 4. Today we will start a new topic, agriculture. Now, what is meant by agriculture? Agriculture means practice of growing crops or raising animals. It was previously believed that the Neolithic age was in fact the agricultural revolution age. It means that in Neolithic period the agricultural practices were increased. Revolution means when something is increased. So it was basically the age in which agriculture increased, and that the development of agriculture in this period dramatically changed. As I told you that agricultural practices increased in Neolithic age, so the development of agriculture in this period dramatically changed means fast change. It has fastly changed the way people of this age live. Way people means that it has changed the living style of people of that age. Now, more historians believe that the change from the old hunting practices to a more agricultural way of life was not a sudden event. It means historians are those people who studied about the past. So those people who have studied about the past, they believe that the change from old hunting practice to agriculture way. Old hunting practice means when the people chase and kill animals. So it was shifted to the agriculture way. Agriculture way means when people have raised their own animals. So it was not a sudden change. It was not a fast change, not a revolution, but it was a gradual shift. It was a slow shift or slow change from old hunting ways to a new agriculture settlements. Settlements means deal. It is also believed that the shift from a totally hunting based life towards agricultural way of life was taking place. It means that people who chase and kill animals now they started agricultural ways of settlements. Means agriculturally they have raised their animals. Hunting practices and agricultural both continued equally for some time in this period of change. It means that when this period was going on, some of the people used hunting practices and some of the people used agricultural. Means both of these things were continued equally for some time in this period. Gradually people realized that wild plants and other vegetation could also be used, and they would move and settle near such plants during the time when they could be eaten. Gradually means slowly people realized that there are some wild plants and vegetation which can also be used and they can be eaten by us. So this was earlier stage to the agricultural age. Means at that time agriculture started. How it started? As agricultural developed, means the people of Neolithic age started to settle down in places where agriculture was possible. They were using seeds to grow crops, special type of crops including wheat, linseed, it is the name of a seed, rice, barley means cereal grains, lentils means high protein pulses, and chickpeas means round yellow seed. This meant that the dependency on animal meat from hunting also reduced. It means that when people start to grow crops, so hunting practices were reduced. Agricultural tools also started developing to ease in agricultural practices, where cultivating the fields were required. It means that at first people usually use their hands, but with the passage of time agricultural tools were also developed. So these included chisel, axe, dagger, leaf-shaped flint. Let me show you the pictures. This is chisel. It is a tool and which has a blade on its end. It is used for cutting hard material like wood. Next is axe. It is usually used for cutting wood. Next is dagger. Dagger is a knife with a very sharp pointed end. And next is leaf-shaped flint. It is arrow-headed tool. Look at this, arrow-headed. These tools were used for agriculture as well as for protective purposes. Means they are used as protective weapons. Stone and wood were still being used for these tools as metal had not still been discovered. And look at this picture. These were also some tools which were made up of stone and wood, and they were also used in Neolithic period. I think this is enough for today. Thank you so very much, my students. Allah Hafiz.